Good evening.
Can you hear me properly? I'm audible.
So, how's your day?
Uh,
Yes, you
my
are
day
properly
was
audible.
okay. Thank you for asking. Okay, so may I know what's your name?
Yeah, my name is Abha Gupta. I'm
Oh,
from
nice,
Kolkata.
nice to meet you. My name is Parvendra Kumar. I come from Uttar Pradesh. That's all about me. Okay, so we are meeting the first time. So I just want to know and little bit about you. So,
Yes.
so exactly what do you do? Like, what do you do for living?
Yeah, actually, you can say I'm a student. Actually, I did not I did not complete my graduation actually. Okay, I'm pursuing
Oh,
graduation.
okay.
So, basically, yeah. Actually, now these days I'm practicing English. Okay, for my better communication, and I want to be a good communicator.
Oh, that sounds good. Even I just want to improve my communication skills as well. And so I just seen your number, so that's why I invite to you. Okay, so if I'll talk about me, so my name is Parvendra Kumar, and I come from Uttar Pradesh. Nowadays, I'm living in Gurugram, and that's all about me. And even I'm just running my YouTube channel. I have a small YouTube channel, and I'm running my YouTube channel. Even there are little bit subscriber. Uh, I can say
Okay, that's
that.
great.
Yeah. So may I know like when did you start your spoken journey? Like how did you start your spoken journey?
Okay, from beginning, if I may start from beginning, like almost completed actually 6 months, right?
Okay.
From beginning, basically from my childhood, I want to be want to do something in English, right? That's why
Mm-hmm.
you can say that from childhood, I was very passionate about this communication, yeah. Because if
Okay.
you go anywhere, you have to be a good communicator. Without good communicator, you cannot achieve anything. And you know very well that English is a global communication,
Yeah, I
right? So
know
if you
that
want to yeah,
English is a global language. If you wanna go out of country, so it's obvious that at the time you have to speak in English. Otherwise, if you will not use this language, so you are not able to like convey the message whatever you just want to deliver. That's amazing
right.
things. And okay, so basically, what is the behind reason of this language? Like, why do you want to learn? Do you have any aim? Like, what is the
Yeah,
behind
basically
reason?
I want to learn some yeah, because actually I want to do something like from which person they are really want to do something like they want to be something because there are so many person, right? Even they could not speak any single language of English, right? So I want
Okay.
to help other. If you want, because as I told you that I want to be a good communicator, right? The first good communicator I will have to do practice a lot, right? So that's why I did practice, like if I am get the chance, right? I try to practice per day because without practice I don't think so we could like achieve more. I
Yeah.
know we can speak English, we can learn English. And our mind got blank, right? We don't have a like sentence in our mind, right? So first
Yes.
of all, we'll have to learn something, we have to learn, and we'll have to practice per day.
So what types
That's
of
why I'm trying to practice per day.
so normally you do practice every day. And apart from
Yeah,
this, what do you do?
you
Like,
can.
do you learn any vocabulary or any lessons, any like podcast videos? Do you watch? Apart from this, like practice,
Yeah,
so do you do
basically, I
anything?
really like to read novels, right?
Oh, that's amazing. Okay, I believe in that we are just the same level, just like we are not just no, we are not a beginner. We are just we can say the advanced, not like intermediate level. So I just want to know those people are just intermediate level, so how they can achieve like advanced level. Do you have some ideas or some kinds of things like how we can get achieve like how we can achieve advanced level like as a fluent level? Do you have some ideas? So can you
Yeah,
suggest me?
yeah, sure. If someone is want to be a good communicator, obviously, first of all, I must suggest that they should practice per day. Obviously, they need to read books, novels, right? Because if you are reading novels book, you get a many words. You know, it in basically if you don't have knowledge about the words or meaning, right? So you cannot help with communication, right? So that's why we
Okay.
should learn first of all word meanings, novels. whatever we are listening, right? Try to read in English.
I got it. Yeah, suppose that now we are just like intermediate levels. So in normal conversation, we can normally do like suppose that I just want to share something. So normally I can share whatever in my mind. I can share the things. But thing is that how we can get achieve like intermediate like advanced levels. So there is a things like we have to focus on the grammars like little bit, not too much. We are not preparing a government exam. Just we have to know about the basic grammar, modals, conjunction,
Yes,
prepositions.
yes.
So I believe in that if the person have complete like basic things like tenses or modals, conjunction, prepositions, and they have must know about the basic vocabulary, and we can go for the more like there is a thing the like idioms we can learn. We can go for that, and don't worry about that. Okay, leave it. And it's sometimes it's happen when we talk. So we can understand we are staying at home. So sometimes the parents come and okay. And after now you are just learning this language. So after you will achieve that, like suppose that if you are as an advanced level, so how will you feel like when you will get that level? Like what is your like aim after that?
You are asking for my aim, right?
Yeah, like suppose that now you are just intermediate level, and suppose that you will get advanced or fluent level, and after that, what you
Okay.
will you have planned?
Okay. So basically, as I told you, right, I can speak, right, but I
Mm-hmm.
need a accent, right, because now
Uh,
every person can speak, but they don't have a this kind of accent, right? So I
yes.
like now I want to like be a best communicator. I need a also a good accent.
Oh,
For the
that's good.
accent, we
That will
need to
comes from the
record video
practice. Yeah, that will comes from
because
the
there's so
practice.
many words we cannot like pronounce better, right? There's so many words. First of all, we can speak now. Like we need also improve our grammatical. We should not. I know that we can speak, right? But
Yes.
whatever you are speaking, it should be a clear and
Mm.
without grammatical.
That comes and like if you will practice daily basis, it's obvious that like if you will do practice every day, so it's obvious that your fluency will be like perfect, and at the time your words will be perfect. It's obvious that. Okay, so
Yes,
you are from
obviously, and also we need to like get confidence also because if you don't have confidence, you cannot communicate any single language of English, right? So I will suggest you will have to communicate with other. If you want to be a speaker good, you will have to communicate with a stranger, right? Because when you are talking with like your family person, with your friend, you will be a you will be a sitting in a comfort zone, right? But if you are speaking with a stranger, like with which person you could not, I mean, you are not know that person, right? So then
hmm.
your confidence will be also increased,
Okay, so did you ever talk with a stranger? Did you
right?
ever talk?
Because I mean, for practice, I have talked so many strangers. Like basically, per day I try to talk with a stranger because
Okay.
they are so I have added in so many groups. So obviously
Mm.
I will talk.
No, no,
So I
I'm not
talk in
talking. Not
any.
like have you ever talked in as a front of the person?
Okay, front of, right? Last time I have talked with a two uh, persons, like
Mm-hmm.
his name was Alex. He's
Okay.
from out of India, okay? And also
Okay.
the like last and second name person was like I forget his name, but he
Okay.
was also from out of India.
Okay. So you discuss about something like, oh, that's great sounds. You know, when we talk to strangers at the time, that moment is very proud of for us because of at the time we are speaking English, and because of our mother tongue is Hindi, and so that's the reason. And thing is that at the time we are just convey the message in English. So whatever we can like we are trying to make understand with